Max. Yay. Yes, pretty bird. Whoa. You okay? Don't fall in that hot bulb. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Can I see a pretty bird? One more time. Ah, what was that? You tired or is that a crop clear? Yeah, that was just a crop clear. Yeah. Max is a pretty bird. Let me see the pretty bird. Oh, stretch the wings. Woof-oo. Say, woof-oo. Oh, we got an itch. Ah. Oh, pretty bird. Got another itch on the other side. He's getting all new feathers, so he's probably a little itchy. And there's Sarge just flew in. Up there. There's a Sarge. There's a Sarge. You see him up there? Yeah. The birdie bird. What's that? That's the kitty cat. Back to scratching. Sarge!